I remember that when I was in school, one of the biggest things was, ironically, of course you want to get your fresh binders and all those things, but one of the biggest things and parts of going back to school was looking like I did something with myself this summer, like looking like I glowed up a little bit. Like, everybody wants that nice fresh start when the year starts out. I hope these hairstyles can give you some ideas on days you're feeling a little stuck, a little lost. Please in the comments, like, I know every style wasn't done super pristine, super clean. It is 3 in the morning. I am not going anywhere right now. I just really wanted to share this with y'all because I remember how I felt on my first days of school, every freaking school year, every semester when I started going to college. Like, that's really why I made this video. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful.
I'm a blossom, I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, this far I'm not sorry.
I don't even think this is even healthy. Everybody mad cause I'm getting selfish. Why you really mad? Cause I copped a 2-seater. And it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's belly ache. I'm too busy eating, got a belly ache. Ooh, I just want my cheese kinda shredded. Wait, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Ayy, I'm a bad man, so I might just go to God. It's a lane poppin', so I might just show my partners. Tell me what you learn from a nigga, what you earn from a nigga. I just want every blossom, yeah. Hold on, they ain't ready like they gotta put their clothes on. It's the best time of my life, cause a nigga was depressed, but now I'm living right, yeah.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry, made it this far, I'm not sorry. My folks try to stop me out, but I'm a young rose in the concrete. I go young Russell Simmons, see me flip on the best to a million. Wonder why I ball so hard. I'm the only young Drake from the block. I'ma need dark brown in my shop. Oh, I know about my phone star. Cause I don't need your doubts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes gonna get taken. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame, and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable in love. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah. What you doing? on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes.
Alright, y'all, thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please, again, give it a thumbs up. Just for your girl going through 3 hours of hairstyling and partying and things like that. I'm about to go wash my hair though, because again, it's been on its last for a couple days now. I was like, this would be the perfect time to film this video and do so much manipulation because I can deep condition it tomorrow. So anyways, I love y'all. If I look sleepy, it's because again, it is 3 in the morning, child. But that's how much I just love making videos for you guys. Let me know if y'all want the curly hair one. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. I also have on my TikTok and my Instagram footage of me dyeing my hair, so make sure you follow me on there, because there is some stuff that might not be on here, or I might put it on shorts. But because of like copyright on YouTube, I might have switched the music out. So if you want to hear it in its truest, most raw form, make sure you follow me on those other platforms where I'm also talking more, sharing my life. They're a little bit more raw, a little bit more laid back. But anyway, yeah. So for the new people, we always end videos the same exact way. I know I took some time off of YouTube, so like if you're new here, we always say peace out and gang gang, and I'll see you in the next video. So let's take a deep breath. I've literally gotten low-key like reprimanded when I don't do this at the end of a video. So anyway, new people, OGs, ooh, what was that? New people, OGs, everybody else in between. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace out, gang gang, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace out, gang gang.